What is going on, members of the Burger Empire? Brian here for BodyByBurgers, in the middle of meal prepping. I mean, if you can see, we got burger patties, we got all the veggies, we got the chicken in the oven. I don't eat complicated. After those peppers and the onions are done, we throw in some broccoli, and that's basically meal prep. We try and keep things as simple as possible when it comes to meal prepping time, because I want it to be as fast as possible, because I'm a busy guy. I got a lot to do. The reason I wanted to start this vlog before, meal prep's done and I head up the gym is that I want to emphasize that you can get everything done and in the way that you need to get it done. Ever since I've taken my food intolerance test, finding food's been kind of a bitch. Sometimes I have to go, when I do meal prep, I have to go to 3 or 4 different grocery stores just to find everything that works for me. And that's maybe because I'm in a small city, in a small town, but I do want you guys to know that there is legitimately no excuses for eating right and eating proper. I make sure that I get my meal preps done, and if I'm going to have a day where things are off, I make sure to control those variables as much as possible and make sure that I'm not overeating, or try and make things as simple as possible. I've got some traveling coming up, and sure, next week I'm probably going to have a couple cheat meals. I'm probably going to hit the old chef, which by chef I mean McDonald's, and enjoy my life a little bit. But that honestly means I haven't cheated since the Spartan race. I've eaten clean every single day for nearly 3 weeks. So I just wanted to start the vlog off that way. Yes, everything is cooking there. I do all my own cooking because it's, again, cheaper. I just thought I'd do the start to the video this way. I'll try and film things throughout and see how the meal prep finishes up, and then we will probably see each other again at the gym, because I don't have much else to do today. So I made it to the gym. A little bit of a rainy day right now. Don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet. Finished up meal prep. Had to have a nap. I have a ton of tension going on between my shoulder blades into my traps, up into my neck. So I'll probably start the workout with a lot of mobility work. Trying to get rid of all the stiffness in my body, or as much as I can. I really probably need to see a chiropractor or my massage therapist. I still have to program a workout, so I'm probably going to sit in peace in my truck here and program a workout or two for tonight. I do want to work on snatches and probably a Metcon of some sort. I'm dealing with a bit of a headache, so we'll see what happens and see how things go once the pre-workout kicks in, because you never know what's going to happen once that pre-workout kicks in. Once I get things programmed, we'll take things off and see where they go from there. A day in the life of me. Not a typical Sunday for me. I typically take Sundays completely off. I literally focus on meal prep and kind of let the day go by that, let the body recover, rest, give myself a mental break. But this week was kind of off and on. Like I was sick Thursday, so I didn't do anything, and I normally do just a cardio day on that day, like an active recovery type day. And then I usually take Sundays completely off, but I ended up taking Saturday totally off because I wasn't feeling well, dealing with a lot of tension, headaches, a lot of just abnormalities in my normal day-to-day life. So I decided to come to the gym on Sunday here and work on some snatches, and I honestly could not be more excited that I did. And the reason for that, you guys seen it first. The first ever squat snatch. I've never had the confidence before to do a squat snatch. It is technically one of the most difficult moves that you can do in the gym and weightlifting. So I'd never tried it before, and when I got my first couple reps of power snatches, things were feeling pretty good. Shoulder was stabilized, the tension started to go away in the body. So I decided to give it a try. The first couple attempts, still power snatches, sorry. So I had just, kept trying and trying and trying. I will leave it in the video, but I failed 130 miserably, and you can see me bail out on that, but don't worry, I'm fine. I came back and I hit 130. I did a few power snatches just to kind of get the technique back and my mind back in the game and the way things are supposed to be going for it. And then I did eventually hit it for a squat snatch, and then 135, it wasn't going to happen on a squat snatch. And then over time I was going to try and go for like 140, 145 to try and time my PR, but it didn't happen. The switch between squat snatches and power snatches ended up having a lot more volume behind it than I normally would have had on at a day where I was going to try and go heavy, but that's okay. I learned new things, and I'm achieving things in the new environment that I didn't think I was going to achieve before. So I'm super happy about that. I'm super pumped, and I'm really excited to see what the future can bring, and maybe this can eventually be my gig, and I'm hoping so. I think I know I've learned enough about programming to know what's going right, and I think I know enough about programming to know when things are going wrong. Currently I'm losing weight, I'm learning new techniques. I got to fine tune some things, and that's going to be through trial and error, just like everything else. But I'm really excited to see what the future holds. Hopefully in about a month, 2 months, you won't be seeing me sit such wide-legged. I can actually close my legs and the belly not be in the way. I mean, that's the hopes. I did gain some weight, when I had a full-time job, and now we're moving in the right direction. So things are looking up. Tomorrow, Monday, supposed to be a strict cardio day. I'm going to change that up a little bit. I'm probably going to run the track maybe in the morning before I do any sort of food intake. Maybe try some 400-meter sprints, or see how fast I can run a mile at that track by my place. But we will see how things go. I'm going to bring you guys along as much of the journey as possible, and then after I eat, maybe come here and do some sort of Metcon. But that's all going to be depending on how the body feels, how all the tension, the headaches, and things like that sort themselves out. So I'm really looking forward to the future. I hope you guys are looking forward to the future and coming along with my journey as well. With that being said, that is the video today, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the little tiny snippet I showed of my meal prep. I planned on showing more. It's just things weren't incredibly accommodating, and I was in a very hit or miss mood. It was extremely grumpy mood due to the lack of sleep and the headaches going on. So I didn't film a lot of that because I just simply didn't feel like it. But I ended the day on a positive note. I learned a new movement, and of course there's going to be some tweaking and fine tuning that goes along with that movement. But thank you for watching the video today, guys. Thank you for clicking on it. Even if you didn't get to this point, you only watched a minute. I do appreciate it because every little bit counts. So if you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you become a very well-informed member of the Burger Empire. And until next time, everybody, as always, Burger Power.